Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summary Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 106 out of 150 questions. This question asks, at Foot Spot Store, reduce the price of some pairs of shoes from $1,500 to $1,200. What was the percentage reduction? The choices are A, 15%, B, 25%, C, 20%, D, 30%. Again, the question and choices are Foot Sports Store reduced the price of some pairs of shoes from $1,500 to $1,200. What was the percentage reduction? The choices are A, 15%, B, 25%, C, 20%, D, 30%. Do you know how to calculate percentage? And I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. On Foot Spot Store reduced the price of some pairs of shoes from $1,500 to $1,200. What was the percentage reduction? The choices are A, 15%, B, 25%, C, 20%, D, 30%. Now to read my answer. 1,500 minus 1,200 equal $300 reduction. 300 over 1,500 multiplied by 100 over 1. 0 cancels 0. 0 cancels 0 again. 15 into 15 goes 1 time. 15 into 300 goes 20 times. 20 times 1, 20. Answer 20% reduction. Answer C. Now to explain my answer. Reduction means to make less. Reduction means to make less. When they reduce the price, they make the price less. When they reduce the price, they make the price less. Okay. First, you find out what was the reduction. What was the amount that they reduced it by? So that would be cost price minus the amount that they reduced it to. Cost price minus the amount that they reduced it to find out how much was the reduction, to find out how much was the price reduced by. So that would be 1,500 minus 1,200. 1,500 minus 1,200. That is equal to 300. $300. $300. So there's a $300 reduction. There's a $300 reduction. Next, to find the percentage reduction, put the amount that they reduce it by over the cost price or over the original price, and you multiply that by 100, which you put over 1. Again, to find out the percentage reduction, put the amount that they reduce it by over the original price and multiply that by 100 over 1. So that would be 300 over 1,500 multiplied by 100 over 1. Again, that would be 300 over 1,500 multiplied by 100 over 1. Okay, so let's put 300 over 1,500 multiplied by 100 over 1. Next, let's do some cancelling out. 0 can cancel out 0 at the end of the numerator and the denominator. We are going to go 0 cancels 0 at the end of the 1,500 and the 100. We are going to go 0 cancels 0 at the end of the 1,500 and the 100. So 0 cancels 0. Again, 0 cancels 0. So we say 0 cancels 0 2 times because there are 2 zeros at the end of the numbers. We say 0 cancels 2 times because there are 2 zeros at the end of the numbers. Again, 0 cancels 0. Again, 0 cancels 0. Next, 15 can go into 300 without leaving a remainder. 15 can go into 300 without leaving a remainder. So that numerator and that denominator have a common factor. The common factor between 300 and 15 is 15. The common factor between 300 and 15 is 15. So 15 can go to 300 without leaving a remainder. So let's reduce. 15 into 15 goes 1 time. 15 into 300, 15 into 30 goes 2 times. And 15 into 0 goes 0 times. So that's 20. 20 times. 15 into 15 again. 15 into 15 goes 1 time. 15 into 30 or 15 into 3 you can't. Then 15 into 30 2 times and 15 into 0 0 times. So that's 20. Next, there's no more casting out that can be done as there are 2 ones at the bottom and 1 into any number will give at the same number. There's no more casting out that can be done as there are 2 ones at the bottom, two ones for the denominator, and any number divided by 1 will give the same number. So let's multiply it across. 20 multiplied by 1 is 20. 20 multiplied by 1 is 20. And 1 times 1 is 1. We didn't write the 1 at the bottom because it doesn't have any value. Any number over 1 is our own number. Any number over 1 is our own number. So the 1 doesn't have any value, so we didn't write the 1 at the bottom. But 1 times 1 is 1. So again, 20 times 1 is 20. And 1 times 1 is 1. Any number over 1 is our own number, so the number is 20. The number is 20. So the answer is 20. 20% reduction. The percentage reduction is 20. 20%. The percentage reduction is 20%. Answer 20% reduction. Answer C. Answer 20%. Answer C. Answer 20%. Answer C. Answer 20%. Answer C. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
telephone classes are available. Receive classes over the telephone. Ideally, each telephone call lasts about 5 minutes. Students may call 5 days per week and more than once per day. Calls may be made on Saturdays and Sundays also. Call between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. The telephone classes are in reading for adults and children, GSAT, CXC, CAPE, and computer classes. I am suitable for the GSAT and reading classes and the computer classes, but I will send you a teacher. I will assign you a teacher for the CXC and CAPE classes. Want individual attention? Want privacy? Want flexible class times? Telephone classes is the class for you. Only $2,000 per month. Use telephone classes for help with homework, help with any grade of basic, primary, prep and high school, help with using the computer. That would include, using the computer would include introduction to the computer, basic and advanced Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Publisher, and Internet and emailing. And also speed typing to help you to know where the keys are so that you can type faster. Also use the telephone classes for help with school projects, for reading and spelling help for adults, teens, and children, for GSAT and PEP help, for GNAT, that's the grade 9 assessment test, for heart aptitude test, for help if you're doing a heart aptitude test, you can get help with that. For help with the grade 4 literacy and numeracy tests, for help with the grade 3 diagnostic test, for help with reading textbooks, and help with practice tests. Computer classes include introduction to the computer, basic and advanced Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Publisher, Internet and emailing, and general troubleshooting. Documents are often emailed to students for typing and reading if you're doing typing lessons or reading lessons. Learning and practice work material. You get learning and practice work material that way. And computer reading, GSAT, etc. students all receive learning and practice test material by email, which are then done over the telephone with the tutor. Payment should be made island-wide at any branch of Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Amphitry branch. Account holder's name, Richard Sharp. Notify me when payments are made. Make a copy of your bank receipt, scan it into the computer, and email me a copy of the bank receipt for verification of payment. Also, you can take a picture of the receipt, the bank receipt. You can take a picture of the bank receipt using your telephone and send me the photo via WhatsApp. That's an easy way to do it also. You can send me a photo of your bank receipt via WhatsApp. You will receive the telephone number of your tutor following verification of payment. And payments may also be made using PayPal. Call me on the number that uses WhatsApp 353-4752. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.